Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we will be unboxing the Rode Video Micro microphone. It's a compact on-camera microphone, and I've purchased this mainly to be used with my GoPros. I want to use this for vlogging with my GoPro Hero 7 and my Ulanzi vlogging case that I've purchased already. Now, if you want to have a look at the videos for the Ulanzi vlogging case for the GoPro, I'll be linking that down in the description box for you to have a look at. And you will also need the GoPro microphone adapter, which I've also done a video on. So we'll also be linking that video down in the description box. Okay, so you've got plenty of videos to watch when you finish with this one. Okay, so here's the box. It is the Video Micro compact on-camera microphone made by Rode Microphones, which have quite a good reputation. Okay, there's the side of the box. There's the back of the box. And there's the other side of the box. 2-year warranty, that's pretty good. No battery required. Compact size. Suspension mount. Okay, let's open it up. The box looks a little bit worn. I bought this off eBay, so Australia Post has a little bit to answer for the wear on the box, I believe. I cannot get in there. Here we go. Okay, unboxings don't always go perfectly. Okay, there's nothing else left in the box. There's one of these little silicone things. And this is it here. This is what you get. Okay, let's open it up. So you've got the suspension mount that mounts on top of your camera or camera case or wherever you're going to mount it. We do have some instructions by the look of it. Not that I think you really need instructions. We've got the microphone cable, which comes in the box. There you go. Looks pretty good quality. And here we've got the actual microphone. It's covered by the wind noise reduction dead cat. That's what they call them, a dead cat. Looks more like a rat to me, but anyway. So that should come off to reveal the actual microphone. There you go, there's your microphone. It's a fairly directional microphone from what I understand. So this is it, okay? So this just plugs in there. And this can then plug into your GoPro microphone adapter. This, I'm guessing, there you go. Microphone mounts. Your microphone mounts in there. Nice. I quite like it. And there it is with the dead cat on. Or the rat. I'm going to call it the rat from now on. Looks nothing like a cat. Does look a lot like a rat to me. Anyway, there's the unboxing. This is what you get. Okay, it's quite compact, sitting in my hand there. It's got no weight. It requires no batteries. Now, I will be doing a full review video on this, on the sound quality attached to my GoPro Hero 7, using the microphone adapter and the Ulanzi vlogging case. So if you're interested in that, check my other videos. Okay, I'll link it down in the description box as well to make it easier to find for you. If you found this video useful, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Mike's Man Cave for more videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.